Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Bit of a special day today down at Ducati Chelmsford, so I've come down here. Got a Superleggera coming in, so we're going to unbox the bike, have a look at the bike. The customer's pretty excited to see his bike, so I think he's going to come down and help us get it out of the box. So yeah, let's check it out.
There it is.
Right, I'm going there then.
Here it is on the truck, Superleggera. Let's get this off, get it unboxed. Right, so obviously when you buy a normal Ducati, they come in the cardboard boxes, come like this in the frame. But the Superleggera, it's in a nice wooden box.
Should have stains with it, bearings. Oh, they're extra, sir. I don't know.
They're accessory extras they can sell on.
Do you not think I read all that shit? I was actually just unwrapped.
You can PDI it and all, we'll be back in a bit.
There's 48 screws you've got to take off.
48.
That's what I call customer service.
This is what an eager customer looks like to see their bike.
I'm more excited than you are. Right, come on in, let's get it in.
Toot and Carmen in here.
Is that the song?
And there she is.
There's a little ramp, look.
They're so nice. That's some bar end weights on that. Look at that.
He's like, how do you know when you got Godolins? I said, they come that colour rather than gold.
That's where you got to push it off.
Right, G, right?
Yeah, I don't get that. Basically, it just makes you look like you're a drug dealer. They've
Yeah.
never proved any
Think
of
how
that.
cool you look.
Have you got all that on video, by the way, Mark?
So now this is day 2. Obviously last night the bike was delivered a little bit late. The customer unboxed it and stuff, so thanks to Jerry for helping out there. So now we're going to have a look at all the bits you get with a bike. So back over to the professionals. Well, when I say professionals, I mean me, Paul and Darren.
There's no professionals here.
I don't know why you've ate that without me.
Do we have to eat at the same time?
Yeah, well, especially, yes, of course. That's why you have like breakfast time, lunch time.
Right, where do you want it?
We build it. Let's hold on.
Stand?
No, let's put it on the bench, shall we? There's me breakfast.
Here it is.
Oh,
Thanks.
right, hang on.
You're
Let's pay Lucy. This is £90,000.
Yeah, you want one?
Yeah, please.
Well, come on in. Where are you going backwards?
I'm getting a run up.
Well, get that on the bench. Yeah.
Right, do you want it on the
Have
stand?
a deep breath.
It's
Go
knackering
back.
This,
Oh,
honestly.
go back.
I've had a day, I'll tell
Yeah, I
you.
know. Go back. Rewind. Don't worry about your puncher. Take that stress out of your mind. What did you do in the gym today?
I didn't get there, did I? You're winding me up.
I thought you said you was going to take her car to the gym.
I took it, but when I got there, I'd left all my stuff in my car.
Why didn't you just do it in your
I
pants?
can't work out.
Ain't they
can I,
got? And you know, like when you was in school, you had the PE box with all the old shitty clothes in it.
I could have done that.
Ain't they
Those-
got one of them there
Those
at your
funny old
gym?
plimsolls, yeah.
All right, let's do this.
What do you want me to do?
Well, let's look at the bits what you get with this bike. If you're paying 90 grand for a bike, I was quite impressed that you get a box of parts with it
Do
anyway.
you know where the parts are?
I'm going to show you where the parts are.
Right, let's see.
They're in the black box. This is what I have to deal with every day.
It's to deal with it, you don't even work it.
No, although somehow I've become workshop manager.
I do like the accents.
What do you like about this?
I like the accents of the different red.
Yeah, that looks nice.
That's nice, it's very subtle.
Yeah, look at that.
And I will just show you the
Yeah.
difference between
Between what?
the yokes
Yeah.
of a 2020 V4 Ducati
Yeah.
and the yokes of a Kawasaki 500 1969. See how we've progressed?
Right, let's have a look in the black box.
Also, I want to just show you this.
Oh yeah, okay, show me that as well.
If you look on here, you'll see the steering damper of a modern bike.
Yeah, look at them. This is state of the art stuff.
And that's the steering damper of a Kawasaki 500.
Right, so one thing you get with these Superleggera, you get paddock stands, rear and the front one. So they're quite nice. They've got the Superleggera written on them. Look at these wheels. Nice, look. Like mini Superleggera wheels. Right, Paul, you're going to build these then or what?
Yeah.
Let's put these together. What about the instructions there? Don't fancy them?
Oh, wow.
Who builds anything with instructions?
It's looking good.
You're looking good.
Oh, you're a smooth talker, aren't you?
worried about you two?
Smooth talker today.
We're going to eat together. You keep telling me it looks good.
Yeah, look at that. That's the paddock stands. Right, next. Right, so you also get this nice little black box, Superleggera V4. Let's open the box, see what's in it. I'll let you do that.
Thank you.
Look at this for a goodie box, eh? So with the Superleggera, it's already got the Aquapovic road legal can on it. But you get a full system in here. Let's have a look at some of the bits there.
Look at that.
Is that super light?
Superleggera.
Now, that is if you go on the track, you take away the headlights, put that in place instead.
Bits of carbon.
What's this part? Oh, that's for the, that is when they change exhaust.
Clutch cover.
Clutch cover. What else you got?
I've got a silencer.
Oh, good. Got the end cans. So you've got two of them. Oh, that's to get rid of the rear light, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, nice. Bar end weights are in here. Is that the protector or something? Oh, protector for the swing arm as well. What's that bit?
That's the cover frame.
That's nice then, that you get an actual protector with it. But you even get the little plates so you don't put the mirrors on. Little blanking bits. For free.
Oh, the guard, yeah.
Yeah, the guard, that's going on as well. Oh, that's going on as well. This is going on, yes. You also get the fuel cap. Right, so that's what's going on first. The exhaust system's going to be put on in a later date by Darren. Right, so in here, what we got? What's this? Another sheet, another bag. You get a charger and all. Do you need these as well? And the mirrors.
Yeah. Give me those.
We'll leave that there. Leave that box. I want to have a look at this. In this box,
Right.
Box of screws.
you also get, look at this. Look at that. Get a little. That is nice. And look, it's even got Superleggera on there with your number of your bike on there as well. That's going to look nice on the table. Where's your hat ball thing? What's it called? Head ball.
In the car.
Why don't you do that? Warm yourself up.
Yeah, I might have to.
Go on. Do some boxing first. While we're unboxing, do a bit of boxing.
Yeah, come on then, come on. Let's go.
So for now, just putting on the bar end weights, the mirror blanks, fuel cap.
Tail tidy's coming off.
I think that's
unit.
coming off, and we're putting just the little blanking bit in there for now. While you undo that, let me just have a look at these wheels. Look at them. Look at the detail bit as it comes. Look at how it comes down there, where it meets the other one. Look. Look there.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. So that's the standard exhaust that's on there at the minute. The standard Aquapovic road exhaust. There's a lot of carbon fibre on this bike. But
That's not carbon fibre.
these, I know these are like a machined alloy, but they probably could have done something nicer on them, do you think?
We think so.
Footrests, yeah.
Yeah.
I think they should have been adjustable, to be honest.
Adjustable, and they would have even looked nice, some of them nice black ones or something, or at least the
Right,
colour
this is
of
coming off. Do you want to see this coming off?
Oh, yeah, I'd love to.
Look at that, so neat under there. Now the others don't have this piece.
No.
This is all open. Do you want to film me struggle with this?
Yes. I don't know why you're having a bad day today.
You know why I'm having a bad day. You're going to keep reminding me of it as well, aren't you?
It's done now, though, isn't it?
So that's that bit done.
Yep. That looks a lot nicer.
That's nice.
That's nice that they've got a black sprocket.
Yeah, that's fresh.
So what's this got written on it?
That's the bloke that built it, I think.
Oh right, so it's got the bloke who built it has to sign it.
That does look good from certain angles, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like most women.
Look great with that tank bag on it, won't it?
It looked great with me on it. Mind you, you're going to do a fair bit of money to fall off anyway, but that swing arm's 12 grand, so if you don't put that little protector on, that,
Alright.
yeah. Sweet.
What's behind you is not important.
Unless they're catching you.
Do you know who said that? What's behind you is not important.
Pamela Anderson.
That's close, yeah.
Who was it?
Hans Stuck.
Never even heard of him. Who is it?
He was a racing driver. He's still, well, he probably still is.
Still is. Was he a world champion?
Well, when I say no, you're going to say, well, what good did he do? What was
Yeah,
that
what was
then?
his advice weren't no good then, was it? Maybe what was behind him was important.
They're a nice touch, aren't they?
I also like that, although it's painted, you can still see the carbon fibre really under the paint coat.
Yeah.
When you think what the V4S is like, what this must be like, what I find with the V4S is that it's a bit, you know, slow, chuggy.
Yeah.
As I'm riding it, I always think if only this was lighter and far and more powerful.
That's what I normally think. I normally think if they could make it a bit more like a Kawasaki H2,
Yeah.
I'd be impressed.
Shame they don't do like a two-stroke, 500cc two-stroke version.
Should we get it out?
Yeah, let's get it out, put it in with the others, let's have a look. Go right round in front of them, I think. This is it, built so far. Look at this, it is so nice. You know, the anniversary one's nice as well. Even there, look, 1299 final edition. But when you look at this, it is just so nice. The wings are big, but they look so good. So we've still got some bits to put on this bike. We'll be doing another video. Going to be putting the full system on this. Like I say, it comes with a road legal aquapovic system at the moment, but we've got a full race system to put on it. So that's a 90 grand V4 Superleggera. I mean, it is probably one of the best bikes I've ever seen. Quite impressed that you do get, I know this bike is 90 grand, but I'm quite impressed that you do get a box with a load of bits in it. You know, usually the sort of mirror blanks, the swing arm guard and stuff like that, you usually got to buy them as extras, but I suppose at 90 grand they do chuck them in. You know, some bits of this bike are just beautiful. I mean, the wheels, the carbon fibre on them is done so good. The little model, that's brilliant. Like, you know, nice to have on your desk just to remind you what you've got sitting in your garage. I know the wings are probably a bit Marmite, you either love them or hate them, but seriously, in the flesh, they do look so good. The guy whose bike this is, he's also got Street Fighter that he's been in a couple of other videos. He's decked that out with accessories and upgrades, and he's already looking at bits for this, so this bike probably will have some more bits on it, which we will show you. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. What's your Christmas message and your New Year message? You know, like the Queen does her speech.
Yeah. Well, I want to say thanks to all the Project Moto viewers.
Yeah, and that's it.
Without you,
You'd be nobody.
I'd be nobody. I'd be less than no one.
It's been an emotional year, isn't it? Full of ups and downs,
It certainly has for everyone.
ins and outs.
Not so many ins and outs.
We've had laughter, Tears.
We've had tears. We've had tears of laughter.
I thought we was having Christmas meal together. Are you coming round my box today or not?
Probably early afternoon.
Well, you can come. What are you saying? Morning or evening?
I'll be over for breakfast to begin
Alright.
with. Yeah, I'll do it if I can. Of course I will.
Do you want to play Christmas games?
No.
Listen, when I was in school, mate, me and her went to see her in concert.
It doesn't mean you had a relationship with her, does it?
In my head, I did.
Really? Well, I had the A-team and things, and you had Madonna.
Yeah.
So,
Fuck off! What was you doing, Mr. T on the wall,
Mr. T.
when you was in your 40s?
I ain't getting no cocktail.
You be Mr. T for the rest of the day now.
Yeah. Quit your jibber jabber. Oh, I don't sound like him. I sound like that midget in Love Island or whatever it is.
Love Island, James Bond,
That's it.
Odd Job. Oh no, Odd Job was the one with the bowler hat, wasn't he?
Yeah.
What's the little midget? What did he say? Hey James! No, he wasn't like that, was he? Hey James!
Yeah.
No, he wasn't like that either.
Casper 2 or something like
Buzz
that.
for two?
Well,
Right.
Google it.
No, we'll
I'll
have to
know
let's see
now.
if someone says
What's
on
that little
YouTube.
midget? Who's the short geezer?
Think, use your brain.
Come on.
Use your brain. Let's see if someone on YouTube can answer the question. What are you writing in there? Little midget geezer, James Bond.
Fuck, I've done it wrong. Yeah, have a look at the exhaust.
Yeah,
There
what?
he is. I'll show Ronnie, look.
So what's his picture?
Alan said it.